To insert your SIM card into Google Pixel 11, we need to take a look at the top side of the phone, because over here we have the SIM tray. Now, to eject the SIM tray from the phone, we need to use Eject Tool, which you should be able to find yours inside the box of your Google Pixel 11. And what you need to do is you need to simply put it into the SIM tray hole. So let's just quickly do so. There we go. And once it is in, you want to apply a gentle pressure and push it straight into the phone, just like that, to make the SIM tray slightly pop out. And then you use your fingernails or fingers in order to completely remove the SIM tray from the phone. Once the SIM tray is removed, you should be able to find the SIM card slot. So we just now need to insert our SIM card into its place. There we go. It should go in very easily, and make sure that it is actually fully inserted and match the shape of the slot. The SIM card should not stick out of the SIM tray. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna insert the SIM tray back into the phone, which also shouldn't be a problem. In case it is difficult to push it back into the phone with your finger, then you need to simply make sure that your SIM card is properly inserted, and make sure that the SIM tray does not stick out of the phone as well. It should go all the way in, just like you can see here. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.